In this example, we're going to set up an automation to extract key information from utility bills. I'm going to go ahead and create a new agent to automate this workflow and give it a very brief description, as well as a single sample of data that I want to extract from. Here I'll provide a single utility bill, create my agent, and get started defining all the information I'd like to pull out of these documents. First piece of information I'd like is just a quick table of data about the account holder. So I'm going to ask for a table of account holder name, address, and account number. I'm going to also pull out other information like the type of utilities for this bill. And here I'm going to investigate what kind of extraction I'll create. We can see that our system has already inferred that this is a classification, and we're basically going to tag which types of utilities are covered in these bills. This can have multiple classifications, meaning the bill could be electrical, natural gas, water, etc. We'll go ahead and create this one as well. Other key data I might want to pull out include the total cost of the bill, as well as a table of consumption by different utility types, so I can look for outliers later. Before I fully automate this workflow, I'm going to check to make sure my results look good on a single sample. For the account holder, I can see that it's correctly pulled the account holder name, as well as an address and an account number. Likewise, for utility types, I can see that this bill includes all of my utility types, including electrical, natural gas, etc. And I can view different pages in the document to verify this. I can check the total amount on this utility bill, which is indeed $349.92. And I can review the consumption by utility type, which includes the unit here as well. Once I'm happy with what I see, I can fully automate this workflow. Going back to my agent, I can configure different connections for where my data lives upstream and where it lives downstream. In this case, I can connect this to a database or to a storage bucket system. And for my source, I'm going to set up an email integration. This means that anytime I email this agent from this email address, the data will be processed by the agent and put in my destination. My email provider, I can now attach another instance of a utility bill as an attachment on an email and send it to the configured email address. Returning to my agent, I can see that the email has been received and all the results have been processed. Here I can take another look and verify that the information indeed looks correct, including the totals, utility types, which in this case is electricity and natural gas, as well as the consumption. I can continue forwarding emails from this address and have this workflow continue automatically as data is processed and then dumped into a database, cloud storage, or wherever I need it to be.